With all the gyms closed, a lot of us are working out at home, and you might not have any gym equipment at your house. Therefore, you might be wondering what type of weights you should buy. It's recommended you get 2 sets of weights to start off with, something light, something a little bit heavier. So, for instance, I have a set of 5-pound weights, so they're not too heavy for my shoulders here if I'm doing scaption exercises here. And then I have another set, a little bit heavier, 10-pound weights. Okay. You can start with 10-pounders and get another set of 15-pounders. These 2 sets of weights were fairly inexpensive and makes a great starter for working out at home, getting some equipment going. Once you get used to those weights, you can just purchase the next set up. The 2 sets of weights is a good place to start. Another good thing to have is a set of resistance bands. You can just buy one. This is a 20-pound resistance band, and you can stand on this to do your curls, sit down, do some rows. It also comes with a doorstop, so you can hang it up in the corner of your door and do some lat pulls. You can also do some good core exercises with these. So that is it for starting off to get your home gym going. That's all you need, because you have a lot of exercises that you can do with just your own body weight, and then add a little bit of resistance to a few different exercises. And that's it. That's all you really need to get started. Keep it simple. So if you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. I'll leave links to this gear that I talked about and also in the description below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Be sure to share it out. If you'd like to learn more about what type of weights you should buy, check out one of these videos here, and I will see you over there.